How to register Live Nation. Open your Google browser. In the search bar, type Live Nation PH and press search. From the search results, click the official Live Nation PH website. On landing page, click Register Now to open the registration form. Fill out the form, enter your details, first name, last name, postal code, email, and input the password that you would like to use. Password must include at least 6 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character. After completing all the necessary details, click Register to finish your account setup. Check your email. Open your Gmail account, or the email you used. Look for a message from Live Nation. Click the activation link in the email to confirm your account. You will be redirected to your Live Nation account homepage. A confirmation notice will appear on the screen, letting you know your registration was successful.